just thought I'd show you quickly how to access the lynda.com resources using your TAFE account. If you come to our Airtable and click on the Important Links tab and scroll down to Resources, click the link to lynda.com and you'll have the option here to sign in. I'm going to click Continue and it will take me to my portal login. I click Login and it should sign me straight into Lynda, where I can search for any kind of resources. There's an example. You can also find some really good resources on using Skype, if you can spell it, for business. If you haven't used Skype for business, there's a couple of little courses in here that are well worth the watch. That's it.